Start. The learned trial court has rightly held that the prosecution could not establish that the alleged marriage with Srimati Sel Kumari was legally performed marriage and that the admission, if any, made by the accused is not sufficient to make the marriage a legal marriage. Stop. He has also contended that the learned magistrate has rightly held that the prosecution failed to establish any harassment of the complainant made by the accused and that he rightly acquitted the accused and the appeal is liable to be dismissed. Stop. In this connection, it will not useful to quote section 494 and 495 IPC. Stop. Section 494 provides that whoever having a husband or wife living marriage in any case in which such marriage is void by reason of its taking place during the life of such husband or wife shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Stop. This section does not extend to any person whose marriage with such husband or wife has been declared void by a court of competent jurisdiction, nor to any person who contracts a marriage during the life of a former husband or wife, if such husband or wife at the time of the subsequent marriage shall have been continually absent from such person for the space of 7 years and shall not have been heard by such person as being alive within that time, provided the person contracting such subsequent marriage shall, before such marriage takes place, inform the person with whom such marriage is contracted of the real state of facts so far as the same are within his or her knowledge. Stop passage. Whoever commits the offence defined in the last preceding section, having concealed from the person with whom the subsequent marriage is contracted the fact of the former marriage, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Stop. The conjoint reading of these two sections shows that if a person has a husband or wife living and marriage in any case in which such marriage is void by reason of its taking place during the lifetime of such husband or wife commits the offence of bigamy. Stop. The offence becomes more serious if he / she conceals the fact of the earlier marriage. Stop. The exceptions are that where the marriage of such husband or wife had been declared void by the court of competent jurisdiction and where there is continual absence of one of the parties for the space of 7 years. Stop.